Good afternoon. My name is Jack Parsons, and I am here to talk to you today about Kicked Up, my final capstone for NSS's full-time web development program. This app is a social media app designed for the sneakerhead subculture, and came about because there's plenty of places on the internet for sneakerheads to talk shop, but there really aren't very many places that are totally targeted toward this subculture. There's definitely places on Instagram, Reddit, Facebook, assortment of other social media platforms where people can talk about it, but it's hard to cut through the noise of everything else that is on those programs. So I wanted to have something that was dedicated to just this culture. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you navigate to the site, the first thing you'll see is this main view, which contains the posts of every post that has showed up that shows up in the database. So you can kind of see from there. And once you get logged in, that's where the cool stuff starts happening, and you can start having some of this functionality that I worked very hard on. So, and I just realized I forgot to log out. All right, let's try this again. Say I go log in. I'm going to go to my awesomely named testing profile, log in, and from there, what can happen is you can actually go and click on each of these photos, and it'll go to a detail page about each post, or you can click on the username for that post, and it'll render to that. It'll go to that user's profile. So let's see. Let's say I want to go to this guy's profile because I happen to be a fan of Yeezys. See his collection, and let's say, ooh, these are great. I want to leave a comment on here. So let's say, these are awesome. Add that comment, and it'll show up at the bottom. And as you can see, I can't edit or delete another user's comment, but I can definitely edit and delete mine. Edit that comment, delete, perfect. Now, let's say I wanted to do something really cool. Like let's say I wanted to add a new post. Go to my profile, which is accessible by the nav bar up here, and I can go to add a new post on my profile. And I'll be presented with this form where I can go in and put in some information. And then that will direct me to a new form where I can actually upload an image that is already present on my drive. So let's say I've got this picture right here. Perfect. Submit that image. Boom, I'm immediately directed to a new detail page where I can then edit details of my post. For example, I can edit the description that's right here. And here's something I'm pretty proud of. I can actually add a second photo. It directs me back to that form. Choose new image, open, submit, boom. And if I want to, I can delete that photo. And if I want to delete the post entirely, I can go ahead and delete that post. That is about all the functionality that is currently present on my app. Pretty succinct, pretty easy to get around, very minimalist, not a whole lot of explaining to do on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your time, and I look forward to meeting you. Have a good one.